Hi, I am Engineer Hassan Adil. The topic of this video is what is the purpose of fill down and how to use it. I will explain it to you. Fill down commands are the option we use where we have to assign the same value to the other all activities. For example, I want to check which calendar is assigned to these activities. I'll go to the option columns, general, calendar. Okay. Now the 6 days a week calendar is assigned to all these activities of my project. If I want to change this 6 days a week calendar to the 7 days a week calendar, if I will change this calendar one by one to all the activities, it will take a lot of time. So I will use the command of the fill down to reduce my time. This command will reduce the time from the hours in just seconds. Let's see. The 6 days a week calendar, I will change it to a 7 days work week. Now I have changed the calendar of this activity from 6 days a week to the 7 days work week. Now I will press the shift and I will select the last activity. Now all my activities are selected. I will right click and use the fill down. You see, the calendar in all the activities is just changed in the seconds. You don't need to change this one by one manually in all the activities. You can use this command to many other things like expenses, resources, cost center, or many other things, or the activity codes, the project codes. This is the use of the fill down. Thank you for watching this video.